Hello everyone, in this video I would like to share to all of you about how to make a room divider with bookshelf and bench. First of all, you have to make a basic shape in center of this large room. You can set any line of this divider. You can set the width of the divider around 400 millimeter. Then you can push it up until it's maybe 500 millimeter, something like this. Then you can see, and then you have to make it group. Then you have to make a shelf. You have to make shelf right here with a little bit smaller than the bottom bench. Anyway, then you have to push it up until 2000 millimeter, right? And then you have to, or you make you can make it more higher than before, something like this, 300 more higher. Okay, and then you have to make it group, and then you can make it component, and then just create it, and then you can move and press control. Then you have to position on your desired position, and you have to give a space to make a little space of the bench on the left side right here. You have to just click it and just press 5/ and press enter. Anyway, then you can see the result. It will be arranged automatically, something like this. Then you have to make a arrangement with a rectangle anyway, and you can extend the size. You can extend the size. Okay, and then you have to push it up, and you have to push it up with 100 millimeter of the thickness, and then you can make it group, and then you can make some horizontal divider with a rectangle. Also, you can just adjust it and just push it up, and then you can type a thickness with 20 millimeter of the thickness, and then you have to make it group and just make it component and just create it. And after that, you have to position it on the aesthetic arrangement with select, move, and press control, and you can select, move, and press control again to adjust all of position. Okay, something like this. Then you have to move it up, and you can adjust the all of position, something like this. And you have to move and press control, so you will get this beautiful arrangement of the vertical and horizontal arrangement of the shelf to room divider, something like this. Then, and after that, you can make a top material of this object. You have to push it down around maybe 20 millimeter, and then you just click this object and just edit, copy, and exit from the group, and then you can edit and paste in place again. And then you can get this plane with precise position than before. Then you have to push it up until 20 millimeter, right? Then you have to make it group. Then you can set the material. You can set the material with with a unique material anyway. Maybe you can select the basic color with the green vintage material. You can select this color example. Maybe you can set the color G06. Then you have to you have to make it unique first by right click and make unique, and then you have to assign the material on this side only. Then you can adjust the color green vintage with this tools, color wheel, and you can just adjust it. Then you can assign for more material with same color. I'm sorry. Okay, then and then you can adjust another material with wood laminate by select this material synthetic surface, and then you can select formica laminated light, and then you can select this all of material. You can select all of material, something like this. Then you can make it the same material with laminated wood laminate. Okay, maybe something like this, and also you can adjust it. Okay, this is room divider with bookshelf and bench. Anyway, so you can explore for more complex model to improve your skill, or I hope it will be a lot of benefit and advantage to all of you, to your works, to make easier your work than before. And wait for my next video. Thank you.